Hi everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Grab yourself a comfy seat, get comfortable. We're gonna go over this beautiful frame-off 1974 Dodge Charger SE Brougham. Freshly done, original color, black. 400 big block, numbers matching, completely redone and gone through. 4-barrel, 727 transmission, completely been redone. A 355 Sure Grip, power windows, cruise control, rally dash, air condition, window sticker, build sheet, 9.5 compression over 30. I mean, this thing is just amazing. The paint is great. It was just finished last year. It's got an Edelbrock top end kit with cams, head, and intake. Transmission, like I said, has been totally redone and gone over. It's got a Boss Hog torque converter, 28 to 3200 stall, 8 3/4 rear end with a 355 gear. So this thing is built to cruise nicely. Exhaust has been done to TTI exhaust, 2.5 inches, and headers are 1 7/8, same TTIs. Suspension is the PST, upper control arms, complete front end kit, tie rods, ball joints, rubber bushings. You might as well get a soda, I'm not done yet. Front shocks are the KYBs with rear air shocks, new brakes, and new booster all the way around. It's got a new fuel system, new tank and sending unit. He put on a Harley 750 mechanical secondary electric choke with MSD plugs, MSD wires, new alternator, aluminum radiator, original air conditioning and compressor and pump. There's not many of these out there, and if there is, I don't believe so. I think this is the only one out there like this. This thing is just gorgeous. Front end's got a beautiful face. All your lights and gauges work correctly. Fog lights, parking lights, the whole bit. Now here's your greatest eye candy, folks. Aluminum radiator, which is great. 444 barrel, numbers matching, all done. The car's odometer says 85,000 miles. There may be 200 miles on this whole complete build. Look at that. Look at the headers. Look at how it was set up. I've got, like I said, window sticker and build sheet as well for this. And it doesn't get any cleaner than this, folks. This is a show car driver. Amazing. It's got the hood pins. Nice flat black on top. Look how great that lines up. All original body panels. No paint flaws whatsoever. It's sitting on 17-inch tires, are in excellent shape. American racing wheels that look like a factory setup. I mean, look at the gaps. Top, everything's been gone through. All your glass and moldings are new. Your trunk is like brand new. There's your dual exhaust. We're gonna fire this baby up and take it for a run because this is a treat. Look at this thing. Ton of receipts come with it. I'll show you that in a second. Again, no paint flaws whatsoever. Gaps on the door, fenders, and quarter are exactly the way they should be. Dashboard, excellent. We're gonna go inside. Interior's in great shape. Back seat, all your seat belts. Deck in the back is good. Headliner. Oh, what a car. I've got over probably 120 photos on our website, MGM Classic Cars. You can check it out there where all our other cars are. Power windows. All original tags. Just beautiful. Interior's great. Oh, it's got cruise control. Of course, air conditioning. 83,418 miles. He upgraded the sound system, but kept everything original. Take a look, folks. Build sheets. Production broadcast sheets. Window sticker. All important stuff. And a bunch of stuff in back. It's filled with receipts and all his notes. Let me just check the hood real quick. Hear that cam? Good stuff. Good stuff. All your gauges are working correctly. Horn is working. Excuse me. Oh yeah. Oh, this thing scoots. It should be. Whoever gets this is going to have fun. Shit. Alright, am I going to make it through there? Oh, what an idiot. Someone just dropped their trailer. Yeah! Nice car. Handles good. Brakes are wonderful. Steering's great. I don't hear any funky noise. This is a fresh car. All in. Oh yeah. That was 70. I better slow down. This thing gets up. You don't feel it. All right, let's do the Earl U-tuner test. Noises, suspension's tight. Let's go. Wow. Treat yourself, this is a nice car. Just so y'all know, we're located in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Open Monday through Friday from 9 to 5. Saturday from 10 to 2. Grab a pen so I can give you my phone number in a little bit. We've got over 170 cars in our 45,000 square foot warehouse and service, ready for immediate delivery. We've got special financing available if you got good credit, up to 180 months. Shit. Shipping all over the United States, bonded and insured, open and enclosed. If you have any questions on any of our cars or want to get an appointment in, call me. My name is Earl, 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. Like us on Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. I got new videos coming out every day, sometimes 3 a day. Love doing this, especially when they're this nice of a car. I mean, you really don't find 74 Chargers, numbers matching, ground off, set up the way this car does. This is a real treat, folks. give me a call, 773-600-0919. Thanks again, and this is Earl, MGMClassicCars.com.